Make me rich, Jared.
I'm not finding any. I'm already full. Yeah. I'm disappointed. Yeah. I already have gold. What? I already have gold. From the time we mined in that sand pond. Remember? Sandbox Rock. They actually had gold. Hey, it floats.
It's not finding gold, Jared. Make me rich.
Daddy, I think I saw something.
Get to work, boy.
I saw something silver, Dad.
Silver, we're looking for kind of more of a gold fleck to it. Those sparklings.
Ah, a leaf.
I think you got a little too much sand there, buddy. Not enough water.
Too much sand. Gold, I think. The big one.
Oh, actually, that is a golden
Is that a shell?
You're not supposed to be looking for shells, Jared. Find me some gold.
And if you have any extra gold, can I have some? Hey, this is sandstone. Cool. I'm going to put it in my pocket.